What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. In today's video, we're doing a review on the Funkel AI True Wireless Earbuds. So the company did reach out to me and send these over for review. So as always, I'll do my best to give you guys my honest opinion. These are coming with some pretty cool specs. You're getting aptX audio, CVC noise cancellation for phone calls, an IPX5 water resistant rating, and about 6 hours on a single charge. So the current price on these is $59 on Amazon. So after you watch this video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description for the most up-to-date price. It does help out the channel anytime you make purchases directly through the links that I provide. So if that's something you're looking to do, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, I'll go over everything that comes with the earbuds. I'll go over the design and the fit, and I'll give my opinion on the sound quality. I'll also do a microphone test to give you guys an idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls. So inside the box, you're getting the earbuds along with the charging case. You're also getting a micro USB charging cable, as well as some additional silicone ear tips and your usual paperwork and instructions. Taking a look at the charging case, as you can see, it's pretty medium in size. It does have a nice look with this gloss finish on the lid. And then up top, you've got some branding there as well. Flipping around to the back is where you have your micro USB charging port. I think these have been out for a little while, so that would probably explain the micro USB. Not sure if they'll come out with an updated version that features USB Type-C, but that would be something to think about. Once you open the case, you can see the earbuds sit side by side like so, and they got some pretty decent magnets to help keep them in place. Taking a look at the earbuds, as you can see, they have the exact same gloss finish on the outside. You also got some branding featured on the side there, which is also the surface that you'll use for your touch controls. Towards the bottom of the stem, you've got an LED indicator light to let you know when you're in pairing mode. And then on the underneath side of the stem is where you have your microphone. Overall, the earbuds do look nice. One thing I like in particular is that the stem has a slight angle to it. So it really helps the earbud hug your ear, and it makes it to where the earbuds don't stick out from your ears as much. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.0. After you've gone through your initial pairing process, anytime you remove the earbuds from the case, they do sync up extremely fast. When it came to watching videos and movies on my Samsung Galaxy S20, I didn't experience any audio lag or latency, so you should be good there. For those of you that like to listen to either earbud independently, unfortunately, it only works with the left earbud. Anytime you put the left earbud back into the case, there's no connection. As far as battery life, you're going to get roughly 6 hours from the earbuds on a single charge, and with the charging case, that extends to 24 hours. You're also getting an IPX5 water resistant rating, so sweat and splashes of water won't be an issue. So you're going to get a pretty good fit with these earbuds. Like I mentioned earlier, the stem does have a slight angle to it, so it really just kind of hugs your ear and it doesn't stick out too much. With the right size ear tips, you shouldn't have any trouble with these staying in place, so you can definitely exercise, move around, and pretty much do whatever you need to do. The touch controls are nice and accurate, and they give you control over everything except your volume. So you get your play and pause as well as your track controls, and you can activate your voice assistant. You can also answer and hang up phone calls. So as far as the sound quality, I would say that these have a pretty balanced sound. I think the highs could be a little bit brighter, which is something you may be able to fix with a few EQ settings, but overall out of the box, I would say that these sound pretty good. You're getting some pretty decent bass as well. I wouldn't say it's the most extreme bass, but it does a great job of complementing the mids and highs to give you that balanced sound. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality.
Alright, so this is a microphone test of the Funkel AI True Wireless Earbuds. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's see how they sound once we add some background noise. Alright, right, so we got some crowd noise being played from a speaker. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you use these earbuds to take phone calls in a more noisy environment. As always, you guys be the judge. Let me know how they sound.
So overall, for 59 bucks, I think these are a solid pair of true wireless earbuds. If they came out with an updated version that features USB Type-C, I think it would make them that much better. But aside from that, there's not really a whole lot to complain about. So if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description. If you like my videos, be sure to hit the thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. So that's going to be it for this video. As always, I'll see you guys next time.